afternoon and very good day to our respected lecturer, Dr. Putri, to all panels and fellow friends of Project Management in Construction. Here I am the project manager from Berkat Builders Sdn Bhd. Today we are going to present about the project tender that we have been choosing, which is the pembinaan bangunan pejabat bertingkat Lembaga Pertubuhan Peladang Negeri Perlis. About this project is provisioned by Lembaga Pertubuhan Peladang Kementerian Pertanian dan Industri. The cost of the project is RM4,287,840. So we start our project on 1 August 2022 and we complete this project on 4 April 2024. This is the targeted and expected time that we have been calculated. So overall duration for this project to complete is 614 days. This project is using traditional method, which is design, build and build. This method is one of the common method used in JKR procurement. In the early stage of the project, JKR will appoint their consultant to prepare the design document, including the construction drawing, technical specification and all of the document needed to form the contract documents. After that, in the bidding phase, we Berkat Builders Sdn Bhd bid for this tender. In the build phase, if our company was selected as a contractor, we should start the construction work immediately. So by using this traditional method, we as a contractor have the full of power on the site. Everything about the construction, everything about the execution is under our control. So this is our organizational structure. As you can see, this organizational structure is led by me as a project manager. I'm the person who is responsible for the entire project. Under me, we have a site manager, and then under the site manager, we have a site supervisor. After that, we have safety manager. Following that, we have a project planner, architect, and the last one, we have the quantity surveyor. Our company use functional organization structure. There are a few advantages of using the functional organization structure. The first one is efficiency will be improved because they have the most experience and do exceptional well in the same field. Second one is reduce the miscommunication problem. The hierarchical structure is clear. The number of communication channel was reduced because each employee reported to his functional manager. As a result, the project can function smoothly without any misunderstanding. The last one is functional organization offer a stable environment where employee can clearly understand the scope of their job and what is expected of them. So that's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter to continue our presentation for today.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurul Izzah binti Saari. My position of this company is site supervisor. Okay, now we move to the project scheduling. There are 25 activities that will be considered to finish this project. This is our scheduling. We can start to construct this project in 1st August 2022 and we can finish this project of 4 April 2024. Firstly, the first stage of this project is site position. The duration of this activity usually 4 days that will start on 1st August 2022 until 4 August 2022. The second stage is site survey. Next stage will be followed by preliminaries and demolition work. After that, we have site preparation that includes site clearing and site excavation. The duration of this stage is 18 days. Next, we follow with activity in ground floor that include foundation, reinforced concrete and wall system. All of this started on 16 September 2022 until 19 December 2023. After that, we have continued with first floor that we have concrete, wall system, roof and ceiling. The next activity is mechanical and electrical installation, and the next day plastering, paving and tiling works will start. Besides that, water regulation internal will be started after roof work and followed by internal plumbing system and sanitary fitting on 7 May 2023 until 27 May 2023. Next activity are sewage work. glazing, painting, and roadwork and drainage that have duration 224 days. After this day, overall commission will be held on 27 February 2024. After that, final check-up will be done. This project will be handed over to client on 20 March 2024 and will finish on 4 April 2024. Next, we continue with the next presenter.
Hi, my name is Nurul Shazana Alia. I'm the site manager at this company. My part is method statement of general construction work. The purpose of this document is to define the guideline for the preparation of the construction work for the two-story office, Lembaga Pertubuhan Peladang and other facilities at Kangar Perlis, as well as to ensure the safe execution of all project construction work in order to eliminate the risk of injury or damage to personnel, equipment and property. The scope of work is this method statement outline a proper work procedure that must be followed from the preliminary stage to the completion stage in accordance with the drawing and specification. Next is the role and responsibilities of project manager, safety manager, site manager, quantity surveyor, project planner, and the last one is architect. The equipment and machineries that we use during construction project is backhoe, excavator, bulldozer, soil compactor, and total station. There are 6 points need to follow in work procedure. First is site preparation. In site preparation, we got demolition, site clearing, and site excavation. Second is ground floor. In ground floor, we got foundation work, reinforced concrete work, and wall system. Third is first floor. In first floor, we got reinforced concrete work, wall system work, roof work, and ceiling work. Fourth is mechanical and electrical installation, such as install fire safety, alarm system, lamp, fan, air conditioner, wiring, and also socket. Fifth is infrastructure work. In infrastructure work, we got water reticulation, internal plumbing system, sewage work, glazing work, drainage work, road work, and parking. Sixth is finishing work, such as plastering, tiling, and painting. Lastly is safety. First is all works must adhere to safety procedure. Second is every week there must be a safety induction. Third is heavy equipment machineries must be controlled or operated by a trained operator. And the last one is all employees or laborers must wear basic personal protective equipment.
Assalamualaikum and a good day to our lecturer Puan Putri Zulaikha and to my fellow friends. Today I'm going to present about WBS and OBS. Before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself first. As you can see on the screen right now, this is my detailed information. I'm Farayana binti Hamzah, AA20093. I'm as a project planner in Berkat Builder Sendirian Berhad. This is my phone number. I include my phone number below 016-9398-712. If you have any questions, if you require any further information, don't hesitate to contact me. Okay, I will go to the next slide. Word breakdown structure, or in the short term we call it WBS. WBS is a planning tool that helps team define, plan, and manage a project efficiently. It provides a visual structure to the project. Here, WBS for the construction of bangunan pejabat 2 tingkat Lembaga Pertubuhan Peladang Negeri Perlis. The activities include in WBS is site position, site survey, demolitions work, and site preparation, and so on. Okay, so why do we need WBS actually? One of the reasons is WBS allows project manager plan their project work more efficiently. Proceed for the next slide. OBS. OBS stands for Organizational Breakdown System. On the screen right now, you can see that the parties involved in this project. I take for the example, client, contractor, project manager, and so on. OBS is used to define the responsibilities to the project management, cost reporting, billing, and project control. And in the other words, it used among the other reasons to organize the people who will be working on a particular project. That's all from me, and I will pass the next slide to the next presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurul Hikmah binti Muhammad Jamil. I am the safety manager of Berkat Builder Sendirian Berhad. So first, I'm going to talk about the critical path method, or we usually call CPM. So this is the diagram of critical path method. So why we need to construct this CPM is because we need to know the project duration. So as you can see in the slide, for this project, the project duration is 614 days. Okay, for the next slide, aside from project duration, we can know the critical path and alternative path from the CPM. Critical path is a chain of linked tasks that directly affect the project finish date. If any task on the critical path is late, the whole project is late. So this is the list of critical path and alternative path for this project. Next, I'm going to talk about the PERT analysis. Okay, so this is the table that we need to construct for the PERT analysis, and we have to calculate the time expected and variance using formula. The formula for time expected is A plus 4m plus B divided by 6, while for the variance, B minus A divided by 6 to the power of 2. Okay, after we construct the table for the PERT analysis, we have to sum up all the variance for the critical path, and then we have to calculate the standard deviation using formula square root of B. And then we have to calculate the projected score using the formula project due date minus project duration divided by standard deviation. And then we got 2.96 for this project. Okay, based on normal distribution, project Z score is 0.99846. Therefore, 99.85% chances for the project complete before due date, and 0.15% chances for the project failure in meeting due date.
Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm Yusna Farhana Lutfan as the quantity surveyor of Berkat Builders Sdn Bhd. Now, I'm going to present about the cost of our project. This is the summary of our cost project that includes all of the construction activities. On this slide, we list all the costs for every activity that involved in completing this project. After we have done listing, we sum up all the costs and obtain the total cost of the project. Okay, next, this is the table of direct and indirect costs. Direct cost items consist of direct labor, materials, subcontractors, equipment rental, and other costs for a specific project. Indirect costs are project-related expenses, but may not be specifically identifiable to a particular contract. In construction, this graph is called S-curve. This S-curve consists of cumulative cost versus time or duration. The S-curve we obtain based on the project cost. In general use, the S-curve is used to measure the progress of project work, evaluate performance, and serve as a consideration for making cash flow estimates. S-curve is widely used because it can display real-time cumulative data from various project elements and compare it with the projected data.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Siti Aida binti Mohammed. My position in this company is architect. Selecting our company for the project is the best option because it can be seen in terms of our company's experience in managing large projects. We have enough experience to handle a large project and successfully execute it without causing any problems for the client. Due to our exceptional performance, we have even been recognized as one of the fastest growing companies in the construction industry. Our client was also pleased with our innovative ideas. We have provided all of the evidence that we were able to handle the project quite well. We already had calculated the most precise prediction for when we will be able to complete the project using the PERT analysis and critical path method that we have done. Even if unexpected problems arise during the course of the project, we also keep in touch with our clients and keep them updated on the project progress so that the client is knowledgeable of everything and prepared for anything. We wholeheartedly want the process to success, so we will collaborate with you to design and implement contracts. In most cases, a project is also under a lot of pressure to finish. As a result, having a professional and experienced project manager can reduce the risk of project delays. Furthermore, proper project planning is necessary to guarantee that what is prepared is of high quality. Without a project manager, teams are exposed to chaotic management, unclear objective, lack of resource, unrealistic planning, and high-risk project.